sky was quiet, painted gray. People rushing home, I walked away. Street lights flicker, empty road. Every drop feels like a stone. I don't know where I'm heading now. If you keep moving, don't ask how. Cold wind cuts through what I hide, but I don't stop, I just walk. Raindrops fall like words I couldn't say, washing all the parts I threw away. I told myself I'd be okay, but I lied. I'm walking in the rain, no umbrella, let it soak into my heart. Every step I take feels heavier, like I'm falling apart. I'm screaming in my head, but it's silent. No one hears the storm inside. So I keep walking through the night, with nowhere left to hide. Neon lights blur into my tears. Echoes of you still linger here. Your voice dissolves into the rain, calling out my name again. Cars pass by, but they don't see just another ghost like me. If I disappear into this night, would it even matter why? Raindrops fall like things I couldn't change, drowning in the mess I rearranged. I thought I moved on, but I stayed. I'm walking in the rain, no umbrella, let it tear me down tonight. Every tear I hid forever, now it's drowning in the light. I'm breaking in the storm, no shelter, nothing left to keep inside. So I keep walking through the night and let it all collide. Now the rain feels just like me, endless, lost and incomplete. Every step begins to slow, but I still don't turn back home. No more tears are left to cry, only echoes passing by. Maybe pain is all I've known, maybe I was always alone. Don't tell me it'll be okay, those words don't mean a thing to me. This pain is mine, don't take it away, just let it finally breathe. If I fall right here tonight, will anyone remember me? Or will I fade into the rain like I was never seen? I'm walking in the rain, no umbrella, let it drown me in the truth. Every step I take, surrender to the pain I couldn't lose. I'm crying in the storm, no filter, every scar is open wide. So I keep walking through the night until there's nothing left inside. Rain keeps falling, I don't stop, even when I feel so lost. If this is where I fall apart, at least I